Now we're going to cover maintenance. And if you ever need to run a regen, it doesn't matter if it's off-highway, agriculture, CV, marine, material handling. The software is laid out the same way for a reason. If you ever need to run a regen, you're going to find that in the maintenance tab along with everything else that's considered maintenance. So we're going to select maintenance. Here's your regen, your filter replacement, your soot level resets, and so on. This is going to be where every bit of that is. If you come in here and you don't know what something is or understand the description, the only thing you have to do is click on it. You'll get this box, which is expert mode, and it's taking liability off of Kajali, is what this message is saying. Check the box and it allows you to move forward. Once you do that, the first thing you always come to is instructions. So here is what the SCR efficiency is going to do, or DPF regen, or whatever you highlight. If you want to do it, the check mark moves you forward. If you don't want to do it, simply select the X and it will back you out.